there is difference between educated people and uneducated people, or rich people and poor people. There is different. We don't want to talk about properties or what, but their minds are different. That's why there are places called suburbs and there are places called locations. When you look at locations, are for some of the places are for poor people. There is a lot of noise most of the times, radio, what. But in suburbs, you don't hear even a radio. Say doom, 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 a radio. An educated person can think that they are making noise. You know that, especially rich people, money and noise. You know that money doesn't want noise most of the times. They are minding their business. They don't have a noise or something. You understand? So it's different even the way they are thinking. A poor person can think even or to steal or to do something bad, but black people, rich people, they don't concentrate on other people's business like poor people. Poor people, they are always, even uneducated people, they are want to involve themselves in the business they are not involved in, or to concentrate about someone's marriage. You want to know what's going on their marriages. It's a poor person, an educated person. Sometimes you want to know what's going on someone's marriage. You don't know that person. Even they have got an issue with their husband. What do you want to be involved on that issue? You understand? I don't understand sometimes other people, they want to concentrate on other people's lives, are poor people, because they don't have something to think about their lives. But rich people, they don't have time to, even they saw people are fighting on the road or what, but they don't involve themselves like that. Rich people, guys, even when they saw a person is doing their own business, they don't care. They are only concentrating with their lives. If you talk about someone else to rich people or to educated people, they don't pay attention. But poor people, they are always talking about the one person who is doing good with their lives. Those people, they are doing in their lives, it's something. Sometimes some of the things are not being involved. You understand? A rich person can't be, especially nowadays there is social media. Look at those people who have got money. They don't have noise on social media. But poor people are people who have got noise on social media. So it's different. When you saw a person came on social media and say that person is a rich person, most of the time they have got noise on social media. That person doesn't have money. People who are rich and most educated, they don't make noise.